What is the important point? We should know it. Important point is this, that present time is ascending Dwapar Yuga. This Dwapar Yuga is called like baby period. You can think of a small baby life. What is the age of baby? That is called the baby evolution time phase. Therefore, important point is this. The present time evolution is there, no doubt, but very limited. But all dimensions of activities are expanding. All sciences, technology, medical science, psychology, history, geography, political science, all are expanding. They are changing. When change starts, then we realize it's something like turmoil. Now it is well clear that each and every person starts thinking that I am great devotee of God, I worship Shiva, this is Shiva Linga. Then I am going to pour milk on that, honey on that. I am going to offer so many things. Okay, all right. Let us accept. Okay, we accept it is true. But we need scientific proof. If you are increasing devotion in God, then what Scripture claims, that our all problems, which is called hypertension, diabetes, arthritis, any problem associated with the lungs, with the heart, endocrine system, digestive system, reproductive system, all problems will start disappearing. And we will get knowledge and power which brings realization that we are together. As practice more and more, we will realize our togetherness is increasing. This is what present time is. Now everything will work like science. If I am devotee of Hanumanji, I am devotee of Shiva, I am devotee of Vishnu, Brahma, devotee of Rama and Krishna, what is the proof? That what I am telling the truth, demonstrate the proof. Now future children will not accept it. Therefore, what will be the future of this physical earth? All future of the all nations. How they will get light? Light means knowledge, understanding, power. Future is this lifestyle of Gandhiji and Kriya Yoga science combined together. Means we are combining the Lahiri Mahasayaji's spiritual knowledge and how Mahatma Gandhi lived his life, combined both together. They will work as a light for the future of all nations of the world and future of humanity. How Mahatma Gandhi was living, what was his lifestyle? His lifestyle was based on the principle of truth and non-violence. Suppose that we are with Gandhiji. Therefore Gandhiji, what he was understanding, this is truth and non-violence. He was teaching to all humanity, all were following it. After 30 years, that same truth and non-violence dimension changes. What you get in new phase, this is truth, this is non-violence, accept this. Do not try to stick on the previous concept. This is the lifestyle. What will be truth and non-violence after 30 years? That will be different. And never try to stick today. Be ready, flexible to accept the future experience of truth and non-violence. This is the lifestyle of Gandhiji, and wherever this lifestyle is there we realize good services. For example, physics. Whatever Dalton explained about physics, it was different. What we have today, concept of physics is completely different. We cannot say that I am follower of Dalton. I am going to accept physics that. No. Then we will lose many things. What is the present concept of atom? We are going to accept that. In the same way, present concept of medical science, present concept in the subject of chemistry, math, many other things are new. If you accept this lifestyle, this is called Gandhian lifestyle. This is the scientific way of living. Future is going to accept this. Then we are going to prove it. If I say I am devotee of God, and then what difference I am making it? If I am devotee of God, then God has become all, then I have to criticize no one. Whatever the best thing with me, first I will give to you. Whatever I think, oh this I like very much, then I will give first to you. Therefore this is called the lifestyle of Gandhiji. And this lifestyle of Gandhiji, if you do not have it, then Kriya Yoga science is there. Learn Kriya Yoga science more and more, more and more. Automatically we will start living like Mahatma Gandhi. Therefore what I advise and request all of you, practice Kriya Yoga meditation with the highest devotion and follow the science of food. What is the science of food? There is a book written, Ahar Vigyan. Read it clearly and try to follow your level best. And believe, if you are 90 years old, if you have true devotion in Kriya Yoga, you will become younger and younger. Next, after 14 years, then you will be 104 years, but in appearance you will look like 70 years. Next 14 years, you will look like 60 years. Next 14 years, you will look like 50 years. In this way, you can advance your structure of head to toes. You can make a change within this. This is 100% true. In this there is no doubt. But then we will have question, why Lahiri Mahasaya is not here? Why Yukteswar Giri, Paramahansa Yogananda, they are not here? Because there is a law. They are born with certain services. If their service is completed and nobody is ready to receive it further, then work is done. Then this realized master does not show their ego that still I am here. Then they depart. In the same way, Lahiri Mahasaya departed, Yukteswar Giri departed, Paramahansa Yogananda departed. Because people reached to the saturation point. After that, nobody was able to understand. When time has come, they departed. Therefore, you should remember this. Practice Kriya Yoga sincerely. You will learn science of willing departure. Then you can plan willing incarnation. You should also know, moment you will know this science, you can live up to any extent you decide.